National Express galore. Well, it's not usual that I walk away from Victoria Coast Station, but this is the way to Pimlico, and that's where the hotel is. Greenery, but no football. Football not allowed. Anyway, hi everyone. Walking to Pimlico. So that's where the hotel is, obviously. But you know, thought I'd say hello. What's happening? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. That's early, but anyway, do your thing or not. Up to you. Whatever. I'd like you to, but I'm not making you. Who am I? You know. But anyway, so the hotel's somewhere on this road. Guess we'll find it in a minute. What's my do I have high hopes? Do I have high hopes? Do I have hopes? Do I have dreads? I'm hoping it'll be okay. I'm hoping it'll be okay. Well, somewhat helpfully, the name of the hotel is the 29. So you've got to assume there's going to be one of these, right? There's a 28. There's a 30. Where's 29? It is across the road. You know what, it is across the road. Tricks me every freaking time, the odd even numbers. And I think it all has to do with where I grew up. I know it's a very common thing to have even on one side of the road and odd on the other, but where I grew up, we didn't have that. Sure enough, 1 was next to 2, was next to 3, was next to 4. So it always confuses the hell out of me. There we go. 29 welcome vacancy. So it's a step ladder for burglars, brilliant. And that's there. Hopefully, obviously everything sort of looks the same in this little stretch all the way down the road, but hopefully there's something nice inside. Let's go check it out. No smoking, brilliant. Strong start. Oh my god. 90 pence for a little tiny dairy milk. Selection of postcards. Bit of telly. Oh, I get to ding the bell. I'm gonna ding it. Yes. Weird, it's just a bed. Okay, here we go. Average, by the looks of it, first impressions, average. Double bed. It looks a lot nicer than other beds that I've had, to be honest. Quite close to a TV, which is a decent size. There's a desk and a chair for business, and I guess a light does that one. Good, that's nice. That's a nice light. How do you switch that light on? Let's switch some lights on. Ready? Nope, nope, nope. That's not going to be it. Okay, we'll come back to you. Okay, I always like it when we have lights on either side of the bed. That's quite nice. Oh my god, that's bringing back bad memories. That looks like the phone that I used to have when I worked in a call centre. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that at all. Hotel art. This is Big Ben. Space for stuff, I suppose. Coats and many hangers. A safe. Oh, that's stiff. There's nothing in there. So there's the bin. There's the obligatory Nescafe on a lovely tray and some PG tips. A kettle. There's the remote for the TV. This is incredibly narrow. The view. Okay, so it's literally over the road where we just came in. So on St. George's Drive, evidently. And then some London in the background. No, does that mean I can't open it? It just means it's there's no restrictors. If I wanted to jump out that window, I could. It would be incredibly ungraceful, but I could. Oh, yuck. It doesn't smell good in here. Oh, we've had this smell before. Okay, something I'm noticing immediately is, look how cool that is. I remember that from the hotels.com website I booked, thinking lovely, brilliant, let's book it. Never shows you the ground, does it? Look at that. That is a terrible job at fixing a crack. Yeah, it kind of stinks in here. Oh, it looks like someone's beaten up the bin as well. Stupid bin. But yeah, a bit stinky in here. Again, it's that sort of sewagey, sort of swede kind of smell, which is unfortunate. Well, let's try the bed. It would be rude not to, right? I'm gonna have to try it at some point. I don't mind that. It's firm and comfortable at the same time. It's quite dense. I'm okay with that. What have we got in the way of cushions? Well, that can go away. That's good for nobody. I don't want that either. All that. 3 pillows. If I'm sleeping on my back, I'm gonna need 3 pillows. That's a lot of pillows. But yeah, that's the room. So £75. It's really good if you're coming in from Victoria or going from Victoria, because it's literally a 4-minute walk. When I exit the hotel, I dare say I could probably see the coach station at the end of the road. So for that reason, it's pretty convenient. I don't know, I didn't get a good vibe from the hotel. The chocolate in the machine was ridiculously expensive and it was out of order. The bell didn't work very well either, did it? And when the receptionist came, he was incredibly surprised to see me, so the bell doesn't even work. It's quite noisy. I can hear next door, which means that they can hear me doing this. I don't know whether I can hear voices, which I think is next door, but I can also hear just movement, which may be upstairs. So I'm on the 2nd floor. I don't know how many floors there are, but it wouldn't be unusual, would it? So I've only been in there twice, but it's caught me out twice. This little step. Morning, everyone. I mentioned yesterday about the walls being thin. Wow. The walls are thin. And getting to know each other. a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna get out and about. I'll go for a walk, get to work. I've got about an hour. Should be plenty. See what we see on the way. I guess we see this. It's the backdrop. Yeah, obviously Buckingham Palace, isn't it? Big house. The 29 Hotel in Victoria stroke Pimlico. I did not like it. I should have known. Every time like a hotel tries to give itself like a cool, catchy, you know, retro-y, I don't know, name, it's always crap. Like, look at us with the 29. We're cool, man. 29. It's a number, and it never works. It's never good. It was £75. Way too much money. Walls were ridiculously thin, like I was kind of alluding to in the room. Very smelly bathroom again, which seems to be a thing. Maybe it's like the plumbing around here or something. I don't know. The only thing it had going for it was location, if you were going to use the Victoria Coach Station anyway. So if that was something that you were going to do, then by all means do it. But £75 was steep for that. I was expecting a lot, man. I booked this week's and next week's hotel at the same time, and I remember saying to my wife, I think I got some good ones. Goes to show, man, you can be tricked. So if I'm rating this, I'm rating it like smack in the middle. It's not the worst, it's by no means the best. It's like a 5, and it's lucky to have a 5. I was thinking about a 4. Yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it has helped make a decision if you're looking for a place to stay. It's the point in these videos after all. And yeah, I get to show you things like Buckingham Palace, which is a short walk from the hotel, only about 15-20 minutes maybe, if that. So go for a walk. Alright, that's me. Thanks for watching everyone. Like and subscribe and all that shit. Take care everyone, bye bye. So this is on Fleet Street. It's like an exhibition for the film Asteroid City. Don't know if you've seen it. I have. I thought it was rubbish.